Well, good morning, gang. It is sun up and Saturday, what, 26th? Yeah, June 26th. And it rained all night long, and of course we're all dry in the tent, but sun is up and we're just gonna start packing up and have some coffee and hit the trail. Alright, well, good morning again. We have dropped bear bags and we're fixing to cook some coffee. You can tell probably by the weather, the clouds and stuff, that it's going to be cool and overcast and partly rainy during the day today. I think right now it's probably around 40 degrees, and I think the high is supposed to be in the high 50s, and you can see all these clouds back here. So this is in the early part of our trek today. This is the area we're going to be going. You can see there's a lot of dark clouds and stuff moving in, and there's no real relief behind us over here either. So we'll see. Hopefully some of it'll burn off. There's a little peck of sunshine coming in right there. But beautiful place. Wind River Range in general is a beautiful place. Really enjoyed base camping and being able to walk over to some of these high points and explore around and do some photography and catch just a ton of fish. So that was a lot of fun, and I guess I'll kind of missed it a little bit. Headed back to reality. We still have a couple of days on the trail, but we're just going to be making our way back now. So with any luck, we won't hit any severe weather on today's backpacking, and we'll be able to get easily over into Bomber Basin and set up a camp. And then tomorrow probably explore Bomber Falls, more than just the base of it, fish East Torrey Creek, and just relax. And because I think tomorrow's our last full day on the trail, and then we'll be coming out on Monday the 28th. So that's it. Let's go make some coffee. All right, I'm gonna mix up some bullet coffee here this morning. I've got a chunk of Green and Black's 85% dark chocolate down in there, because we're gonna kind of make a mocha bullet coffee. And we're gonna be adding to that Four Sigmatics adaptogen coffee mix blend. And then we're gonna be adding a couple tablespoons of the bullet coffee, keto bullet coffee effectively. And so normally we make this at home with powdered butter and powdered coconut oil and powdered MCT oil, but I just kind of ran out of time and bought this off the shelf. The ingredients aren't that bad. It's basically the same thing that we make at home. So stir this for a bit and it'll be ready. This is my paper cup from the hotel that I'm going to use for 10 days. It works perfectly fine for backpacking. What do you call that when you upcycle? I guess upcycling, right?
You just said it, buddy.
Yep. Good morning, John.
Repurposing.
Yep.
Is the other thing that it's called.
Yep.
You've repurposed that Dixie cup and turned it into a high dollar
Ultralight Backpackers coffee cup.
Yeah, exactly. You can charge ultralight backpackers like $25 for that thing.
Right. All right, we are on our way hiking out. And next stop, we'll take a little break at Lower Phillips.
9:20. We're leaving Phillips.
9:20. What are we doing? Autobots?
Roll out.
Autobots, roll out.
9:45, so 25 minutes. All right, well, we're going to take a little sip of water and head up there toward Arrow Pass. All right, Lynn had messaged me on the Garmin InReach and said, be on the lookout for my 1 liter Be Free. And boom, there it is, coming up Arrow Pass. All right, so we're gonna pull over here and take a little break. 10:35.
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's a lot better than day 1, 2, and 3, right?
Yeah, probably.
Getting a little shoot. Getting a little acclimation makes it all better.
Pack of a 3 style of M&Ms. So it's peanut, chocolate, and peanut butter.
Sweet. Well, I am having some anti-gorp. And I don't know if the videos come out for this or not, but if it has, I'll put a link up here if you're watching on a computer. And there's a whole short video of making the anti-gorp, and it's got nuts, no peanuts, no raisins, therefore good old raisins and peanuts. But it does have real bacon bits and baked cheese and Brazil nuts and other things. Check out the other video, it's real short. The sun has come out today, as we walk down to Tree Oasis, where there is water. It was raining just a little bit ago. See, the meadow is all wet. Lots of pretty flowers. Pretty sights. Okay, 1 switchback left. It'll take us down through there. And then we'll be at Tree Oasis, what we call Tree Oasis, which is right here. Where you've got these trees and water and a camping spot, and then there's the trail that leads back down to the Switchbacks into Bomber Basin. All right, we're fixing to start the Switchbacks section down to Bomber Falls. And if you're looking for a blow-by-blow of that, then check out, I'll put a card up in the top here to the 2020 vlog where we did a continuous time lapse from the top to the bottom, and you can see the blow-by-blow turns of each switchback and count them up for yourself. But for now, we're just gonna do these switchbacks and get down to Bomber Basin, set up camp, and relax. All right, so we're down at the base of the switchbacks. I counted 32 going up and 30 coming down. Oh well, like I said, check out the video from 2020 where we did the continuous time lapse and counted every switchback of more than 60 degrees. So if you're really concerned about the count, check that out. So anyway, I'm gonna wait here for the gang to all get here, and it's 1:18 right now, so that took an hour and 3 minutes to get down here. Yep, look at all the columbines. White columbines and dandelions through here. Columbines, columbines. Dandelion, dandelion. Look at that patch of columbines. Got them all. Those are a little bit purple. Most of them are white. This is between the base of the Switchbacks and Bomber Basin. Turn off for the falls. All right, so this is where we're setting up at Bomber Basin. And everybody's just getting their tents set up right now. And then we'll probably go cache some water and get a lay of the land and cook some food and all that kind of stuff. The mosquitoes are a little aggressive in the shade. Quite annoying. But in the sun, they're not that bad because they're not coming out here. What do you think, Josh? Bug nets rule, right? Oh, yeah. So we're just having some water from the Be Free, and then we're going to cache a whole bunch from East Torrey Creek. All right, we're going to cache up some water and treat it, filter it, and then head back over to camp, which is way over there. A lot of trout in here, Josh. A lot of trout in here. All right, we just cased up a bunch of filtered water. So I've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 liters. And Josh is finishing off another 1, 2, 3, 4 liters.
I get this in the bag.
And then we're just enjoying the beauty and all the trout potential of East Torrey Creek. So I just about finished eating all of my chicken verde quesadilla before I remembered to start filming. So John's finishing off a couple there, Johnny Freedom, and I'm enjoying this luscious backcountry delicacy that is freeze-dried verde pulled chicken quesadilla with cheese and refried beans. Delish. All right, we got bear bags hung, and now we're gonna go play some cards, move all of our stuff from over here to where we're camping, and spend a little time playing before any weather comes up to us. So, John, you ready?
I'm ready, buddy.
Okay, Josh, you ready?
Oh, I'm so ready, man.
Nick?
Yep.
All right, we're just wrapping down another day where we traveled from Double Lake back down to Bomber Basin, and just had, took our time, had a great time, got here to Bomber Basin below the falls, and set up camp, did all of our duties. We had dinner, got bear bag hangs set up, camp pitched, and water cached. So everything's set up for in the morning, and we're going to get up and do some exploring around the area of East Torrey Creek and Bomber Falls. And that's it. Maybe get some photography, maybe catch some trout, at least fish for some, and just generally hang out today before we depart the following day. So that kind of wraps up today's vlog. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a minute, hit the subscribe button. And if you got comments, leave them in the comments section. So thanks for watching. And remember, whenever you can, get up, get out, live a little. See ya.